Hi, hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I am Radha here to teach for you. So guys, today's class I brought 8th mathematics. So in the 8th mathematics we have already started the lesson linear equations in one variable. In the linear equations in one variable we have completed up to exercise 2.2 fourth question. Till fourth question we have completed. So today's class let us discuss about fifth question and sixth question. So what is fifth question here? The fifth question is, two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. If they differ by 18, what are the numbers? See, they have given the statement. We have to write the equation for the given statement and we have to find the unknown numbers. So, answer. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. We don't know that number. They have given in the form of 5:3. Okay. We have to consider those numbers as a variable. Consider two numbers are A comma B. So, two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. They have given these number. It is in the form of 5:3. So, A is to B is equal to 5:3. And also we can write it is in the form of A divided by B is equal to 5 divided by 3. Okay. If they differ by 18, if two numbers they have given means two numbers will differ by 18. So, if B is the number means A will differ from 18 means it will more than 18. A is 18 more than B or B is 18 less than A. So, we can write like this. So, here we have to substitute the value of A in the given ratio. So, A, what is A? B plus 18 divided by B, write as it is equal to 5 divided by 3. Is equal to 5 divided by 3. We have to do cross multiplication. If B plus 18 divided by B is equal to 5 divided by 3 means here how to solve this equation means we have to do the cross multiplication. So B plus 18 into 3 is equal to B into 5. So B plus 18 into 3. 3 into B, 3B. Okay. Plus 18 3s are 54 is equal to B into 5, 5B. Okay. Next, here 3B is in LHS side and 5B is in RHS side. We have to make sure come in any one of the side, either in LHS side or RHS side. So, plus 54 write as it is equal to 5B. I am taking this plus 3B from LHS to RHS. If I take plus 3B from LHS to RHS, it will become minus 3B. Okay. Next, 54 is equal to 5B minus 3B is equal to 2B. We can also write it is in the form of 2B is equal to 54. 2B is equal to 54. Okay, next again we have to say B is equal to 54 divided by 2. Again we have to send this to multiply 2 from LHS to RHS. If we send multiply 2 from LHS to RHS, it will become divided by 2. Multiplication will become division. So, B is equal to 54 divided by 2. So, B is equal to 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. So, B is equal to 27. 27. The value of B is equal to 27. If one number is 27. If we know one number, we can easily find out the another number because we know that A is equal to B plus 18. So, A is equal to what is B? 27 plus 18. So, A is equal to 27 plus 18. So, 45. 27 plus 18, 45. So, the value of A is equal to 45. Therefore, one number is 45 and another number is 27. Those numbers are, therefore, the numbers are one is 45 and another number is 27. Okay. Next we have to go for sixth question. What is the sixth question here? See, three consecutive integers add up to 51. What are these integers? So they have given the three consecutive integers. We don't know that consecutive integer. We should consider it as a variable. Okay, consider three consecutive integers are a comma b comma c. We don't know those three consecutive integers, so we should consider it as a variable a comma b comma c, and these number add up to 51. These number add up to 51. A plus b plus c is equal to 51. This is called as a equation 1. And also they are saying three consecutive integers. So the word consecutive is very important. What is consecutive means? Continuous number. If a is a one number means b is equal to a plus 1. Okay. If again c is equal to a plus 2. C is equal to a plus 2. We have to substitute the value of b and c in the given equation 1. Okay. So a write as it is, plus what is b? A plus 1. Then what is c? A plus 2. Why? Because these three numbers are consecutive integers. That's why we have taken a is first number, b is equal to a plus 1, c is equal to a plus 2 is equal to 51. A plus a 3a. A plus a 3a plus 3 is equal to 51. Okay. 3a plus 3 is equal to 51. 3a is equal to 51 minus 3. So 3a is equal to 48. Okay. So again we have to send 3 from LHS to RHS. If we send 3 from LHS to RHS, it will become a is equal to 48 divided by 3. So a is equal to 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18. So 16. The first number a is equal to 16. If the first number is 16 means the second number is equal to a plus 1 means 16 plus 1. 16 plus 1 is equal to 17. Okay. B is equal to 17. The second number is 17. Okay. Next. Third number is a plus 2 means 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. So 16 plus 2 is equal to 18. So c is equal to 18. The third number is 18. The first number is 16, second number is 17, and third number is 18. Okay. So viewers, if you like my video, please go and subscribe and like, share. If you need any kind of topics on the mathematics for any classes, just write down in the comment box. I am here to teach for you guys. Thank you everyone.